Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com, and I am still in LA. Not on purpose. My flight was oversold, and so here I am. They put me up at the Burbank Airport Marriott, which, as you guessed, is right across the street from the Burbank Airport. So I thought it was a good chance to check this hotel property out. It actually looks really, really nice on the main floor. Kind of a fancier hotel. And then once you get up to the rooms, they're a little bit dated, but nice and clean. So this is a look at a 2-queen room. And really not a bad option if you end up staying near an airport or need to stay near the airport in Burbank, either on your way out or in. Sometimes that's just a better option when traveling. So I thought I would give you a peek. As you can see, kind of standard rooms, but again, nice, clean. Definitely a great place to stay and affordable as well if you need to stay by the airport. But I also wanted to mention that, as I said earlier, the main part of this hotel is really nice. The shuttle service from the airport was really nice. And then the restaurants, there are 2, I believe, in this hotel, are really good. I was able to try a few things from each of them and was really impressed. So I will give you a peek out the window here. Again, right by the airport, but as you can see, kind of a pretty area. I think that's actually Hasbro over there, which is kind of interesting, or a Hasbro building. There's a swimming pool area and a really nice outdoor bar area that was kind of hopping when I was down there earlier. Kind of a nice place with really good food and drinks and whatnot. So as you can see, not a lot to do probably in this area, but if you're here for the airport, again, not a bad option. And the room itself is nice. It's clean. It's good. So I just wanted to give you a peek at this because even though I didn't end up planning on staying here. Oh, and this is kind of cool too. They have a new tipping option that I'm seeing more and more in rooms where you can use a tip app service to tip housekeeping. So that's kind of cool. Leave any questions that you have. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.